Hello everyone, we have given 15 plus 3 equal 48, 25 plus 3 equals 78, 35 plus 3 equal 108, so 5 plus 3 equal 4. So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So 15 plus 3, 48. How? 15, if I'll multiply with 3, so I get 45, and if I'll add the 3, I get 48. So what I do? Multiply 3 and then add the number. So in next case, 25 multiplied 3 is 75 plus 3 is 78. So 35 multiplied 3 is 105 plus 3, 108. Yes, it's also verified. So 5 plus 3 is, you have to multiply by 3 first, 15, and then add 3. It's 18. So what replace the question mark? 18. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.